Hi everyone, this is Aundre, and of course it's the year 2020, and this year we need to come together and unite as one people with Montego Bay Pride set to be staged in October this year, possibly virtual. I believe oneness is the way forward, and to be honest with you, I would love to see Jamaica becoming a place where everyone is equal and free, regardless of race, color, creed, gender, sexual orientation, economic or social or political status, living together without being in a position of fear or facing any form of bias. I believe that Montego Bay Pride should be living up to the true meaning of what Bob Marley says: one love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. Enjoy yourself, everyone. Thank you. Love and thanks. Love up Pride. Love up Montego Bay. Love up Jamaica.